Okay guys, let's get to know our vocabulary for the week. Our first word is fiery. After this fiery building has cooled, rescue dogs may go inside to help. Okay, so again, looking for context clues to help us understand the meaning of the word. When it says it has cooled, okay, so that helps me understand that fiery must mean it's really hot. Okay, and then again, if we just think about the word itself without the suffix "re" on there, fire. Okay, we know fire. We know what that is from our background knowledge, plus the has cooled. So I'm thinking fiery must mean something like burning, flaming, hot. Within seconds, this helper dog finds and pushes the right button. Okay, so within seconds. So seconds helps me understand that within means inside of. So like within that many seconds, the dog was able to find and push the right buttons. Mysterious. This dog is sniffing at a mysterious package to help guess what it holds. Okay, so if they're having to guess what it holds, that tells me mysterious means not knowing. The actual definition, hard to understand or explain. So like you don't know what the bag was holding. We couldn't understand or explain what the bag was holding. It was mysterious. Emergency. A rescue dog can help an emergency team find trapped people quickly. Okay, so rescue dog and finding trapped people quickly tells me emergency means it's something that needs a quick response. Okay, if you're using it in an emergency, it's for use in emergencies would mean emergency. Panicking. Herding dogs can help guide scared or panicking animals. Remember our keyword "or" there helps me know that panicking and scared are synonyms. So I'm guessing that panicking means to be scared. This is affected with terror, which would be the same thing as scared. Those are all synonyms, words that have the same meaning. Next word, horrifying. This dog is used to the deep snow. He does not find it horrifying or scary. Again, there's the key word telling me that horrifying and scary are synonyms. So horrifying means really scary. Frightful, causing great fear. Really scary, right? Ancient. Ancient art from Roman times proves people kept dogs as pets long ago. Okay? Ancient art from Roman times proves they kept pets long ago. So those clues tell me ancient means something from a long time ago, very old. Ancient, very, very old. Scientific. People do scientific research to create new medicines that help sick dogs. Okay, so scientific. How will I figure out what this word means? Well, I see the word research, okay, and creating new medicines. So that helps me understand that scientific is like when they research or try to find new inventions, new medicines. Scientific here says relating to science or the careful study of things, just like in our example here, they were doing research and studying to find new medicines. Prehistoric. Dogs helped people hunt in prehistoric times, which were very long ago. Again, my context clues here, very long ago, helps me understand that prehistoric times, when it says which word, that's basically telling me what prehistoric means. It means very long ago. Our actual definition says before written history. So before our history books, those stories in our history books, which we know were hundreds and thousands of years ago, prehistoric, pre meaning before those actual history, written history books we have. So like think about the times of the dinosaurs and that sort of thing. Immediately. As soon as the light changes, this dog immediately walks forward. I look at as soon as. That's telling me quickly, in a fast way. Immediately the dog walks forward as soon as the light changed. Okay, immediately, right now. Alright guys, so those are the words for the week that we need to get to know. They'll be used in our story, so it's important we understand them. Just for a little extra practice and to get to know the words, I want you guys to complete the vocabulary and context flip book. Remember on the front you have the word and the definition. Inside You use your word in a sentence. How could I use fiery? The people ran away from the fiery volcano. Okay, and remember, after you write your sentence, you need to underline or circle the vocabulary word just to make sure you used it. Sometimes we get so wrapped up in writing that sentence, we forget to actually include our vocabulary word. And last, you're going to draw a picture to help you remember what the words mean. So I'm going to draw this big volcano. Since fiery means burning or hot, I'm going to put like this big blast of flames coming out as the volcano erupts. We know when the volcanoes erupt, it's fiery, it's like a fiery explosion, and the hot burning lava begins to go down the volcano. So again, there's no right or wrong picture. Whatever you draw should just be a picture that helps you connect to the word or help you remember what the word means. So you guys are going to complete this for our other words. Again, please focus and work on learning these words and preparing to be able to read and understand our story. And when we're done, we will check over our work together.